Your iPhone might be slowing down or draining battery, and these settings are why. Let's fix that in less than 5 minutes. Setting 1. Background app refresh. First, open iPhone setting. Then tap on General. Tap on Background app refresh. Turn it off or set to Wi-Fi only. It keeps apps running in the background even when you're not using them. Setting 2 location services per app. Open setting on your iPhone. Scroll down under, then tap on privacy and security. Then tap on location services. Choose apps you rarely use and set to never or while using. This saves battery and protects your privacy. Setting 3 system services, hidden battery drain. Open setting on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap on privacy and security. Then tap on location services. Then scroll down. Then tap on system services. Turn off things like location-based Apple ads, iPhone analytics, routing and traffic, unless you use maps often. Setting 4. Analytics sharing. Open setting on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap on privacy and security. Scroll down. Tap on analytics and improvements. Then turn off Share iPhone Analytics, share with app developers. Setting 5 Push Mail. First, open your iPhone setting. Scroll down. Tap on Apps. Find here Mail app. Then tap to open Mail app. Tap on Mail account. Tap on Fetch new data. Then turn off Push option. Change from Push to Fetch or Manual. Push constantly checks for emails and eats battery. Setting 6 App Tracking. First, open your iPhone setting. Scroll down. Tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Tracking. Then turn off Allow apps to request to track. This helps stop apps from collecting personal data. Setting 7 Ads Personalization. Open setting on your iPhone. Tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down. Then tap on Apple Advertising. Turn off personalized ads. Setting 8 Reduce Motion. First, open your iPhone setting. Tap on Accessibility. Tap on Motion. Then turn on Reduce Motion. Reduces animations and saves battery. Setting 9 Auto Downloads. Open setting on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap on Apps. Tap on App Store. Then turn off app downloads and app updates if you prefer manual control. Setting 10 Siri listening. First, open your iPhone setting. Tap on Siri. Siri and search turn off. Listen for Hey Siri if you don't use it often. Turn off these settings and your iPhone will feel faster and last longer. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.